Hey, what's up? I'm going to share with you 5 steps to get you started supplementing your income from home right now, and I'm going to share them for free. There are so many great home-based businesses to choose from depending on what you're looking for. However, to ensure that you identify the right company that grows with you into the future, I'm going to share these 5 steps. Now, before I found the right company for me, I owned an advertising and marketing company for over 25 years, but I never planned my retirement right. I have a beautiful wife and 4 children, and at this stage of my life, I knew that I was too late to prepare for retirement, so I accepted the fact that I was going to work the rest of my life. But then I found the right network marketing company that I can grow in cracks of time to generate a residual income that will come every month for the rest of my life and will enable me to live the life of my choice. Now, the biggest challenge for people is not whether the industry is for them. There is plenty of validation as to why network marketing or direct sales is a great vehicle. Rather, the biggest challenge often is which company should I partner with. It's funny, there's still people out there that have opinions that network marketing or direct sales or home-based businesses are pyramids or these get-rich-quick schemes or where the guys at the top make all the money. These 5 steps will help guide you to find the right business for you. You see, we live in a new world today. We live in a new world of online opportunities and people are raking in the millions, but most people don't understand how to tap into it. Even the seasoned network marketing companies. So here are the 5 steps. Step number 1, know the leadership behind the company. Examine the leadership to see if it has a solid mix of people who've been involved in managing successful, traditional, and direct sales companies. Is the leadership of the company replacing old ways of the 80s and 90s with new online technologies of today? What is the growth potential? Does the company provide at least nationwide opportunity? Does the company create a culture which is inclusive, empowering, and aligned with your own values? Step 2, what kind of training do they have? Does the company utilize today's technology and social media to build their business? Do they train you how to use social media the right way? Does the company offer you a reasonably priced training? Around $50 a month would be reasonable. Is their training available online? Are there training conferences held in cities near you or online? Is there a leadership training system which can develop people as entrepreneurs and leaders? Are there training events held regularly for you to plug your new associates into to use as leverage? Step 3, the compensation plan. Is the compensation plan designed so anyone can succeed, the new person or the seasoned professional? Does the compensation plan reward for sales volume within your team? Does it reward associates who sponsor their own people, or do you have to sponsor hundreds to make a decent income? Check if there are purchase requirements so you can weigh that monthly investment into your decision. Is the plan easy to understand and explain? Step 4, support. Do you have direct access to proven leaders within the industry with a strong track record within the company that you can call on anytime? Is there a team of like-minded people that you can work with? Is there support provided online and offline? Step 5, products and services. Now, the reason why products and services are last is because the first 4 steps are really more important, even though companies should have great products and services. Is the product or service in high demand, and will it be for many years to come? Is this a consumable product or service that people must reorder every month? Is the product or service unique in some way? If it's a product, does the company manufacture it? If it's a service, does the company perform the service itself? When you find the right company that meet your criteria, you have to use your gut instinct to make the final decision. Does this company feel right for me? If so, you're ready to begin a career in network marketing. I'm going to offer you more free training plus a bonus video. The bonus video covers the number 1 step, leadership. It shows the leadership of the company that I chose to be a part of, mainly because it is aligned with my core values. Just click on the link below and fill out a form to receive more training to learn more about how to find the right company for the lifestyle you desire while impacting millions of people. That's it for now. I appreciate you watching.